today. Okay. So SAP Basis. Our role is SAP Basis Consultant. SAP Basis Consultant here. SAP Basis Consultant. We are the consultant role. So means our role is the basis. So here, so what is basis here? First of all, what is SAP Basis? In that, what is our role? What are the our activities we are going to perform in a organization? And so why we need, why the customer, why projects need SAP basis team, core SAP basis team is important. So here the basis stands for, the basis stands for, the basis SAP means system, applications and products in business data processing, right? So in that, what is mean by basis stands for? So basis stands for, so business application software integrated solution or support, solution or support. So we are the core team for the entire business applications, all the business SAP business applications. We are the core team. Core means, you know, right? Main. We are the main team for. So you, for any business application softwares, so we are the core team for, core team here. So here, what is core team means? It's a main team. We are the main team for to build the SAP systems, databases, applications, monitoring, support level activities, business support, resolving the user issues, user raised incidents, all kind of work here. So here we are not going to write any code, any functional scenarios and everything here. So we are the main technical team here, right? So basis is a set of tools that acts as a bridge between operating system in which SAP is installed. In SAP is a bridge between. Normally, the basis is a, so it's a bridge. It's a bridge between operating system. Bridge between the operating system. Operating system means where we will install SAP application, where we will install the SAP systems, we will install it, and the communication protocol with the software, and also the communication protocols. So protocols with the software, here. Also several applications we have there in the SAP. Not only just SAP, as I mentioned here, SAP is not a just one application, is not a one software. SAP is a just software. So here in the SAP we have the number of products are there. Suppose if I take the Unilever is not only there in the one business here, they are in the multiple businesses, right? So Unilever shampoos, chocolates, biscuits, right? So there are many ways, there are the many, right? So same as like SAP is not only in one business software here. So they have the real-time business, they have integrated the ECC and S4HANA systems, they have implemented. For the apps based concept, they have implemented the SAP Fiori technology, and for the warehouse purpose, they have implemented the SAP BW and also EWM, enterprise warehouse management. For the integration and everything purpose, we have the PO systems, and so we have the CRM systems, sales relation, customer relationship perspective, and sales, right? We have the PLM. So we have the number of like that. There is a 150 plus modules are there in SAP. It's not only one or two here. So depends upon the product. So we have the SAP released their own the products, their own components in SAP systems here. Depends upon your business. Depends upon your business here. But every business, for every business, there is a key components here. There is a key systems here. Either ECC, SAP ECC. ECC is the one of the enterprise core component for every organization, for every business, either the medical business or the manufacturing business, or the any support business, any product based businesses, food businesses. So you need a you need a ECC system for the real time transactions. We need a ECC to store the historical data. Then we need a BW. Then we have the PI and PO systems, and we have the portal in the ATM front end mission. They will use the portal landscape here. So like this, we have the CRM to maintain the customer relationship and everything. We have the CRM systems, and we have the SRM systems as well, Ariba success factors. So like this, for every organization, minimum the mandatory components are here. The mandatory components are here. We have in the each and every landscapes here, each and every landscape of the SAP basis here, right? So it's a we have the one abbreviation. Basis means business application software integrated solution. It's a set of tools, the communication between the protocols, and the bridge between the operating system. We are the main team for the to perform the system administration level activities. We are the main administrators, system administrators for SAP environments through S4HANA. From old version to new version, we are the main team to run the business smoothly. So definitely here, the basis involvement is required here to run the business. Here, the basis involvement is required here. So what are our roles and responsibilities here? So what are the basis roles and responsibilities here? So the first of all, monitoring of the systems here. Then supports perspective, we have some activities, daily monitoring, supporting and everything, fixing the issues and everything. Then tuning the existing systems here. Then implementations, installations here, implementations and installations here. The setup, application setup. Then configurations, performing the configurations here. So maintenance activities here. So maintenance activities performation here. So maintenance activities here. So and troubleshooting the issues, slowness, right? So troubleshooting. So like that, we have n number of applications, n number of activities we have to do it in the in an organization as a basis consultant. So these all are the our main responsibility: system upgrades, system updates, transports, backups, DB related activities, right? Application setup, monitoring. So activities, so many things are there here. Many things are there to perform all kind of activities in the SAP systems here, right? So what is our role here? What is our role, main role here? So these are the our main priority as soon as you join the organization: monitoring, supporting the subproduction systems here, then tuning, implementation, setup, configuration. So all kind of things we have to do it here. So what kind of things we have to do it here, right? So this is the main here, right? Suppose if I talk about the history, so as we discussed in the previously in 1972, five ex-service IBM people they have. So they IBM people. So they have a vision of creating the one of the application software for the real-time transactions. That time SAP innovated the SAP application software, and also they have released it into the market. Then thousands of, not the thousands of, there is a lakhs of customers, they are worldwide, they are together, they are using the SAP software in their business here. So together they are worldwide, they are the more efficiently, smoothly, they are using the SAP application for their day-to-day transactions and their business. For their business, they are using this SAP here, right? SAP here. So who is the father of SAP means? Who is the father of SAP means? They are the five ex-service who left the IBM. So they have founded the company. So that time they have, so that five employees, that five persons are called the father of the SAP. Normally we will call it as the father of SAP here, right? So that is the SAP. You don't need that much of detail, but just for information purpose, I am telling here, right? So it's a It's a business application software. So as day to day, our activities are monitoring transports, errors, fixing the issues, moving the changes, supporting to the our functional development team members. So installations, creation of users, monitoring, and all those things here. So we have to support it here. We have to support the all the maintenance activities and everything. We have to support it here. So the first of all, we want to install the SAP. First of all, what is required here? First of all, what is required to start working on the all these roles and responsibilities? The first we need to do the SAP implementation, SAP implementation, SAP installations, right? SAP installations here, SAP installations we have to perform. So installations comes under the implementation project. Installation comes under the implementation project here, right? So what is the implementation project means, right? Installations, so will comes under the implementation project here, right? So installations here. So here as part of the SAP installations, so here we have to follow the specific SAP standard rules we have to perform it here. Specific SAP standard rules we have to perform it here. That is called the SAP implementation methodology. SAP implementation methodologies we have to follow it here. Implementation. So implementation. So methodology, implementation methodology. At the implementation methodology, we have to follow it here. So there the total 6 phases are there in the implementation methodology here. Total 6 phases in the implementation methodology. So what is this implementation methodology means? SAP implementation is a project to integrate to the our ERP software, to integrate to the ERP software. ERP means enterprise resource planning software into a organization. So we have to plan the implementation. It's a project. Implementation is a one of the project to integrate the our ERP, to integrate to the our ERP software in a organization. We need this. It involves the integrating the business process and also data developments, all kind of streams we have to do it in the here. So here implementation, there is a SAP standard methodology that is called the SAP methodology. SAP methodology here. SAP means accelerated SAP. It's a SAP. So methodology, SAP methodology we have to follow. Methodology rules we have to follow. SAP methodology rules we have to follow it here. So this methodology rules, by following this one methodology rules, we can we can clearly we can clearly set the goals, we can hire the teams, management, all those things we can perform it in the SAP methodology here, right? So the purpose of this one is here, the methodology rules is to help to design the SAP implementation most efficient manner, most efficient manager, so most efficient manner to build the SAP systems implementation. We need to follow the this SAP methodologies. We have to follow it here. So the goal is to efficiently optimize the time of the customers, people, quality, and other resources. So we have to follow this SAP methodologies. We have to follow it here. So here the main phases of this one is called the main phases here. Main phases of this rules here called the project preparation. The first rule is called the project preparation activities. The second rule is called the business blueprint. Business blueprint here. The third set is called the realization phase. Realization phase here. The fourth one is called the final preparation. Final preparation activities. The fifth one is called the go live activities. The sixth one is called the support project, support activities here. So these are the total 6 implementation methodologies are there. So here we need to follow the SAP methodology, accelerated SAP. SAP means accelerated. A means accelerated SAP. This methodologies we have to follow it here. This is the roadmap steps we need to follow it to achieve the our goals and everything here, right? So here let's discuss about the more about the what is each, what happens each and every phase here, what happens in each and every phase in SAP here, right? The first one, the phase one, the first one is called the SAP project preparation activities here. The project, so project preparation activities, we have to follow it here. Project preparation activities here. The project preparation means what? Project preparation means what? So in the phase one, we have to initiate the information. We have to get the some information from the seniors, the resources. It's an important time to get the necessary, what are the components we required for the implementation, what are the important milestones that's accomplished as part of this one here, and also architect designing, and also designing the SAP systems, right? Creating the environment for changing here. So some kind of preparation activities here, some kind of project preparation activities we have to follow it here. Some kind of project preparation activities we need to follow in the phase one, preparing the resources, how many resources we required, what are the development teams we required, team structure here, FTEs, so then project managers, so defining the timelines, all those things will happen. Timelines when you are going to finish the project, so support go live activities. I want to, so we need to follow the project this preparation activity, that is called the project preparation. The first one is called the project preparation here. The next one is called the business blueprint. Next one is called the business blueprint here. So business blueprint is here, it kind of documentation. It kind of, so the company, the information, the some kind of information about the company, necessary implementation, steps, designing, and also so documents. Everything should be in the documents here. So information capture as purchase orders, like complete the purchase, capturing the informations. All those things here we will discuss in the blueprint. Blueprint means when you go to the any shopping mall, we have the every floor, near to lift, I guess, right? You have the one diagram here, near to lift. That is called the, you have the one diagram that is called the blueprint. So that is your shopping about the blueprint here. Exit, entrance, how many floors, what, where you are currently, all the information it will be displayed in the blueprint here. Same as like in SAP also we have the business blueprint here. So instead of directly go ahead and building the systems here, we need to we need to draft the diagrams in the presentation mode, and also we need to we need to prepare the documentations, inform to the client. All those things we have to do it here. All those things we have to plan in the SAP systems here. All those things we have to do that one. So these are the accelerated SAP methodologies. It's a project preparations. So those kind of things will happen here, right? So the main here project preparation means the focus is on the goals, clarity on the scope of implementation, establishing the team, commitments, core, consulting, and sequence of activities, all kind of preparation activities will be doing the project preparation. So the business blueprint means the aim of this phase is to understanding the procedures, supports project here, detailed documentation, right? Brainstorming sessions, meetings with the customer, the project team, objectives, scheduling the schedule means setting the schedule for each and every resource. That is called the blueprint. So blueprint it will happen here, right? So then the next phase is called the realization phase here. A realization phase. So realization phase means here it's a the phase of the main focus on implementing the business scenarios. So installing the SAP systems. Then after that, functional team will implement the business scenarios. Developers will do the development activity. The realization phase is here. Is mainly for the main work is for the technical teams here, internal IT teams here in the realization phase. Here, as part of the realization phase, we have to do the SAP installations, then configurations, initial configurations, then the functional team will do the business process requirements, calculations, installing, building, developing, developers, they will do the developments, all kind of things will happen in the realization phase in the phases here. Total 6 phases in that. The third one is called the realization phase here. So realization phase here, third one. The fourth one, realization phase means this is the one. The fourth one, so final preparation activities here. Final preparation activities here. So final preparation activities means testing. So here in the realization phase, you will build the systems, you will install the systems, you will do the configurations. So the development teams will run the developments. So testing team, business process, everything they will run it here, right? So the final preparation is for testing, system management, cutover activities, end user training, all kind of go live related discussions, all kind of things will happen in the final preparation phase. Final preparation phase, we will do the all kind of things here, right? Final preparation. Final preparation means it's final before going to the live for. So every project, every customer, if they want to go for the SAP, immediately we cannot go ahead and build the new system, then we can ask them to use the business. There is a some customization is required. There is a some so standard programs changes are required here. So first of all, system installation should be required. Then customer should agree the what is our next 6 months our plan, next until project go live, what is our plan. All kind of things we can do it in the final preparation. In the final preparation, we can do the all kind of things we can plan it here. That is the final preparation activities in the system here, right? So it's mainly testing, user testing, end user trainings. So why? Because if a few people are new, so then they will provide the trainings, other required tasks, successful completion of the final preparations and all those things. So they will do it in the systems. All those things they will perform it in the systems. That is called the final preparation activities. Then the fifth one is called the go live, project go live activities. Go live means it's a live. It's a journey from, it's a live. Live means you are just asking the project one day. So the it starts from the live means the business will start using the your production system. Business will start use from here, from go live onwards, business start using the SAP system. Suppose if you are starting a very food business, one of the food business you are going to start, restaurant business, some of the business you are going to start here. So in this case, so you need a system applications, right, to book the orders and everything. So then to save the orders, we need a database. All those things you required, right? So in this case, so first of all, we will split the process. Immediately we will not install it. We will ask user to test it. There is a methodology rules we have to follow. SAP methodology rules we have to follow. That is called the preparation activities. Then blueprints, realization, final preparation, go live. So like this, we will start all the activities. We will start all the activities one by one here. So go live is the main where your business will be live on your project systems, means production system here. So then after that, we will do the support. Then once the go live is completed, then again, so go live completed, then we have the next phase is called the support activities here. Support means from here onwards, we have the team, they will perform the day-to-day daily monitoring activities, transports, issues reviewing, So all kind of things we will do it in the support level activities here. Support level activities here means here we will only do the from in this phase nothing, just a discussion realization phase, system installation, some configurations and everything. Final preparation means testing, end user testing, all kind of things. Go live means you are asking users to log into your system, do the business. Means for food business, you are just opening the site, then all the food customers, they will, all the food users, they will book the food from your site, they will book the foods, right? So that kind of go live activities we will start from business start using the your SAP application here. Support level activities. Support means after the go live completed, we have the support level activities where the team will perform the daily monitoring setups, transactions, something like transport, import, day-to-day issues, all these things, we will do the support activities. So here what we will do, we will do the direct installations, then we'll discuss about the support level activities and everything here, right? So the main advantage of having this methodology rules, the SAP methodology rules here, entire project cycle from starting to ending, from beginning of the initial analysis to now until project management, till last step support. So we have the one cycle, one period. So like which means we have the end-to-end activities when it is going to complete all kind of things we will discuss in the implementation methodology here, right? Also, it's a transparent, and anyway, because in the customer, we will have a call with during that time, we have to build the new system, then we have to build the new system. If you know, then we have to follow this one. So there are the many to minimize the risk management tests. So and also the commitments, project timelines, better communication planning, all those things we need a, yeah, we need a this one SAP methodologies, we need to follow it here. SAP methodologies we need to follow it in our systems. SAP methodologies we have to follow it here, right? So here preparation, blueprint, realization, final preparation, go live, and the support activities. Go live and support activities we have to follow it in the system. This is for the implementation of SAP, installation of SAP systems here. To perform the installation of SAP systems, so we have to follow the SAP standard in SAP methodology, we have to follow it here. That is called the SAP methodology rules we have to follow. SAP methodology rules we have to follow it here, right? That is the SAP implementation strategy. SAP implementation strategy which we have to follow, right? So this is the one. So total 6 phases as part of the implementation. Preparation, document preparation, nothing. Just here we need to do the SAP installations in the realization phase. Then after that, go live, support activities and all those things we have to carry out one by one here. That is called the implementation. So methodology, SAP methodology here. Okay, so that is the one. Any questions, anyone? We are type of consulting services. We are doing some kind of consulting here. We have main technology service. Here we have the experts. We will do all the implementations, installation, maintenance, upgrades, migrations, on-premise, all kind of things we will do it. We will resolve it in the efficient manner way. We are doing here efficient manner way. We are doing the all kind of things in the SAP systems here, right? So that is the one. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I can.
Yeah, so before going to wind up, so just I would like to understand about, so you have given some 6 phases, right? So in this part, the second phase in the blueprint, who will be joining into that part?
Yeah, in the blueprint, the management, the project management, the project managers, client, customer calls, the managers, they will join it. So what is our landscape? What is our strategy? How you are going to build it? Means in our technical manager, they will draft the diagram. Suppose like, okay, so they will prepare some presentations like, okay, this is the ECC. Then in the ECC, we have the 3 systems. So like that, they will prepare some landscape diagrams. I mean to say architectural diagrams. Technical architects, So project managers, so they will join that calls with the customer workshops. I mean to say workshops. Then they will prepare the, okay, in ECC we have the 1, 2, 300 clients. Then data will move to the quality, how the testing happens, who will perform, what type of testing scenarios we are going to execute. We means the functional team. Then after that, how the changes are moving to the production. So this detailed discussion, we need to have a word with the customer during this call. That's why during these phases, during the initial phases, preparation, blueprint phases, we will have a calls with the customer for the workshops. We will get the clear, detailed understanding of their requirement. Based on that, we will build our systems. So based on that, we will adapt the custom code. So that everybody, like from their team, client team, from our side, architect team, and we and managers, project managers, everybody will join to get the requirement from the customer. Then they will start building the systems. So all those things.
Okay, thank you.
It kind of management work, it kind of management level work here. But our main work starts from here in the realization phase onwards. So downloading the softwares, SAP, technical work, main technical work is here. Maybe sometimes you may change it. So sometimes depends upon the customer. Sometimes so the roles and responsibilities may change it during the business blueprint. Only the our client team and maybe only one of our manager will join. They will present the small diagrams, then they will get the projects, they will be ready with the all of SOW, scope of activities. Some projects it may be changed, but realization phase means it kind of, so it, sorry, blueprint means it kind of, so designing architectural diagrams, preparing, okay, you have the production system, then how the users will connect to the production system, so what URLs they will use it here. Here do you need the web dispatcher? If you need the Fiori, what is the cost of for this one? So like that, so we have a estimations, how the diagram, no, it's not like that, then you need to go via this route, come to this route like this. So in the workshops, so they will suggest us the customers. So we have to, as a technical team, we need to propose the better landscape planning activities. All those things we have to do it in the, so blueprint. Why? Because blueprint is the main business. Upon the blueprint only we will build the systems, we will define our architecture. So based upon this one only. So here our main work, like here, normal activities like downloading the softwares, building the operating system, installation of the SAP system, then so creating the users to the security functional and other users, doing the configurations, restarts, client creations. Other our main stuff will comes under the this one here, the realization phase here. So remaining all are the small documentation, not technical, small documentation, discussions and all those things.
Sorry, on here. So who will do this installation and video? We need to take care of this.
Maybe voice is breaking. So